My name is Fazluman and we will discuss how can we set up the conversion API for the Meta. So you have to come on your server container in the Google Tag Manager, and now we have to create a tag for the Meta. So first we have to find the template, which template we are using for the Meta. So first of all, you have to select that which event you want to send to the Meta. For example, this is our website, and and the condition is that if someone come on my website and click this button, so this would be captured by the browser, and browser send this event to the server container. So the server container would send this data to the Meta. So how can we make this happen? So first of all, you have to create a trigger for this. So I already created a trigger for this. So this is the button click trigger. So you can see that this is the event name and the button click. So let me show you. Yeah, we are in the browser container of the Google Tag Manager. So now we have to verify that our button click tag is working or not. So you have to click on the preview, and so you have to wait few seconds to open the preview mode. So you have to put your website link and click on the connect. So now you can see that the website has been opened, and yeah, you can see tag assistant has been connected. Now I am going to click on this button, and you can see that the button click tag is firing. It means that in the browser container the tag is working fine. Now we have to check that which event this tag is sending to the server. So first of all, we have to click on the button click tag, and you can see that the event is the button click. It is the name button click. It is sending to the server container. Now you can see that I made the tag to receive this button click. For example, if someone click on the button on the on the website, so browser captured this event and sent to the server container. In the server container, this trigger would listen this event and match it, and then the tag would be fired if the tag is attached with this trigger. So now we are going to make the tag for the Meta. So you have to click on the tags and click on the new and click on the tag configuration. So in the default setting, you can see there is no Meta available. You have to go to the gallery to search for the Meta template. So you have to write Facebook. So you can see that there's a different version of the Facebook API are present, but we are going to with the official Facebook provided template. So you have to click on the first option and click on add to workplace. Now you have to click to add. So now you can see that this is where this template has been opened. Now what is the requirement? The requirement is the pixel ID and the API token. So how can we get this? How can we get these numbers? So you have to go to the Meta Business, and you have to click on the All Tools, and now you have to vote. Now you have to click on the Event Manager. So this would open your data set, so you have to wait to open this. So now you can see that it is data set, our data set. So you have to click on the data set, and now you can see that this is our pixel ID. So you have to copy from there and provide on the server container. So you have to paste this ID. Now they are demanding the API access token. So how can we get this? So you have to come on the again in the event manager, and you have to click on the setting. So when you are in the setting portion, so you have to scroll down, and you would find the option of the API token. So you have to, yeah, you can see that this is the conversion API, and this is the option generate the access token. So you have to click on the generate. So click on the generate access token. So you have to wait few seconds to generate. It would generate the token automatically, but you have to know share with anyone. This is very secret, and you have to again come on the server container and provide this token there. Now because we want to test this our setup is working or not, so for this you should acquire the test token. So we would test our event lively. So you have to come on the test event and website. So there's a two option. One is the server event, the another is the website event. Because we are setting up the events through the server, you have to select the server event. So click there and you can find the test event code. So you have to copy and provide the server container there. But uh, we have to organize the test event in the browser container as well. So you have to go to the browser container and find the Google tag of the GFO. So you have to click there. So this is the place where our custom domain already has set up. So now you have to click on the edit and click on that parameter. Now you have to provide the test token. So go to the event manager and so it is for the you have to copy and go to the browser container and paste this, but you have to write this name. You have to write this test event code. So we have to write manually test, put test event, what was test event code. So this is our complete name. So now I'm going to save this and I'm going to the server container. So my pixel ID has been set and the API access token I have provided and the test event code I also provided. Now I have to select off the trigger. So you have to click on the button, click trigger, and I'm going to name this tag uh, button click meta. So this is my tag name. You have to click on the save. And now you can see this our tag has been generated. Now we are in the server container, so you have to click on the preview. And as well you have to come on the browser container and click on the so you have to wait to open this. So you have to click on the workplace. So in the browser container you also click on the preview to check that our website is working or not. So you have to click on the connect. Sorry, so we have to reopen. So now you can see that the tag assistant has been connected, and I am going to click on the button. So you can see button. So our tag is fired. Button click in the browser container, but I have to see. So you can see that in the server containers, our meta tag has been fired. Now I'm going to check in the check in the. So you can see that in the test event button click has been received in the meta. So the high. So through this method you can set up the API conversion meta with the server in the server container.